Hello, beautiful people. My name is Keshante Chantel. So welcome to my channel. If you have been here before, welcome back. And if you have not been here, please don't forget to join my online beautiful family because we are always lit, glam, and fabulous. So jumping straight into the tutorial, I'm going to start off by prepping and priming my face with the Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin Enriched Face Base. It is amazing. It has a built-in primer into the moisturizer. So if you are a lazy girl like me, this is just the perfect product. So I just put that all over my face because it's going to help your makeup to stay all throughout the day, but it also makes your skin feel so amazing, and the product smells divine. It has vitamins A, C, and E, and it just helps like with any hyperpigmentation, anything like that. So now I'm gonna go in with the Morphe. This is their brow pomade, and I love to use this because it is such an amazing product but so affordable. So I'm just pretty much outlining my brows. I want them to look very natural. I do like the filled in look, but I think what we're going for is just that natural brow. And if you guys want an updated brow tutorial, please let me know, as I am looking to start to do more things with my channel that are a little bit updated. But I'm going in and I'm filling in the other brow, same exact style. I do like to start underneath because I feel like it helps you to kind of outline your brows. And then I'm gonna go in. So this is Bobbi Brown's Skin Full Cover Concealer. I think it is so amazing for cleaning up your brows. It's full coverage. I've seen people use this concealer as foundation, which blows my mind, but it is just the perfect shade for my brows because it's not too light, but also it's very close to my natural skin tone. So I just clean up under the brows because we're just gonna blend that down and use that as our all over pretty much transition and highlight color. And guys, yes, this is still a thing. I do clean up the top of my brow, but lately, like I said, I've been using a more natural tone so you don't get that overly exaggerated highlight on top of the brow where it starts to look very ghostly. All right, moving on to foundation. If you are looking for a really good product but affordable and full coverage, this is the Sephora brand foundation. It is amazing. I did a review on it not too long ago and I gave it a second shot and it is amazing. I get so many compliments off of this specific shade and this brand, and I think if you're looking for something that is really good quality but you don't have to break bank, this is a product that you want to have in your kit. All right, moving on to concealer. This is the Best Skin Ever concealer, same as the Best Skin Ever foundation that I just used. It is the Sephora brand. When I tell you, look at the coverage. Like, the proof is in the pudding. I don't even have to say anything. You can see how full coverage this concealer is. I do get a shade that is extremely light because I just love that overly highlighted look on the eyes. I think it just makes the skin pop. But I'm putting this in all of the areas that I want to go in and highlight. And now on the outer parts of the eye, I'm going to use the Bobbi Brown Skin Full Cover Concealer just because I want it to blend out. So I want this to blend out a little bit more evenly. So now I'm going to go in with a wet beauty blender and I'm just going to blend all of these colors together, and it's going to look so seamless. And I find that if you continue to use bouncing motions with the product, as you can see, it is just blending so flawless together. And I feel like the wetness from the beauty blender does help the concealer and foundation to just merge together, and it just looks so good, guys. All right, the next product that I'm using, I don't even know if they still sell this anymore. This is the Tarte. It is one of their Amazonian clay blushes. It is a cream blush. It smells so good. It's also a cheek stain, and you can use it on the lips. but I just like that really pinky kind of shade, and it just blends so well. I do recommend, of course, going back over with your beauty blender because it does still have a little bit of concealer. So as you can see, it is not blending out so pink as it looks when it goes on. All right, now I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia translucent powder. When I tell you the UK girlies got this under eye brightening look on lock, I have seen some people take and use the Dermablend one, but of course I don't have Dermablend, so I'm just going to use this one. To me, honestly, it's the same exact thing. They're both like really light. Now, if you are more of a deeper skin tone, then you would want to use the banana, but I feel like this one could possibly work just as well. And you can basically see how smooth it is setting my under eye. Of course, before I did this, I went in and I just blended the under eye a little bit better so that I didn't set the creases. But now that I have it all on, I'm going to go in with the Juvias Place blush palette. I love this because it's got blush, bronzer, and illuminator. Those colors are just perfect for any skin tone. And I'm just applying that with a fluffy brush. And you're just gonna put this to both cheeks, but definitely make sure that you blend this product out because as you can see, it's super concentrated and I don't want it so pink. So now that I've blended it out, I'm gonna go in with the MAC Studio Fix Press powder. It is a foundation powder, and I'm going in and I'm going to contour with it. I typically love to contour with powders because I feel like they just blend in a little bit better. I feel like if your skin is more dry, then you can definitely use creams. I have combination skin, so I feel like either one works best for me, but I absolutely love this technique. So one of the main things I like to do when contouring is I like to place that product directly under my cheekbone and just blend more upward. I feel like, as you can see, it just looks so naturally contoured. And now I'm just gonna get the rest of that baking powder off with just like a little foundation brush. And this Morphe setting spray has been a game changer in my makeup routine. I do like to make sure that my face is extremely wet because I feel like it just makes the product just blend so well together. All right, so back to my beauty on a budget. This highlighter is just amazing. Like, it is the Wet n Wild highlighter. It's affordable. The color is beautiful. It's like this gold color, and I feel like it's just so beautiful on my skin tone. And I use very little of it, and it just pops. Now, if you like your skin a little bit more matte, of course, you can skip this step. But I'm just one of those girls that just love highlighter because I feel like it completes the look. But seriously though, tell me this highlighter is not freaking awesome. Like, look at this color. It's so beautiful, so shimmery. You can also use this on your body as well. And then now I'm going in with the Studio Fix powder. This is what we use to contour with. I'm just putting that all over my eye because I just want just a little hint of tan, nothing too extreme. And next I'm going in with the Dior Show mascara. I did get a sample of this because you guys know if you watch my channel, I absolutely loved the Monsieur Big, but I have been having a reaction to that mascara lately. So I've been getting little samples of mascara to try and see how it works with my eye. I love it, but the only thing is, because the brush is so big and I have really small lashes, it does get on top of my makeup. And now that I have my lashes on, I'm going in with Morphe. This is the Sweet Tea liner, and this is one of my favorite staple lip liners. It's just amazing. I feel like the shade is just so gorgeous on any skin tone. And if you know, you know, this is the Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Viral Lip Gloss. It is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. There's not enough I can say about this lip gloss. I'm wearing it by itself. You can use it on top of lip gloss, on top of liquid lipstick, of course. But look at this shade. It is so freaking beautiful. And my lips just look so full and juicy. And guys, that is it. That is all. Look at how beautiful this natural glam makeup turned out. If you haven't already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join my beautiful online family.